Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is Transport Management System software, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So this software can be used by business also, okay, for managing their transport system, okay, transport management system, that is, okay, because in this project, like, I have added lots of functionalities such as vehicle management, their expense management, then employee management, their salary management, client management, and clients order management. So a lot of things are present in this project, okay. So we will see all those things in few minutes, okay, but as of now, let's see some basic things. So firstly, we will see user modules present in the project. So there are two user modules, okay, that is administrator and the transporter module. Then after that, the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and for the styling purpose, I have used Bootstrap. So the softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend, VS Code for the front end, and for the data manipulation and querying, I have used MySQL Workbench. Okay, but definitely we can use command line also. Then let's see the functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the very important functional module is user authentication module. Okay, then the second one is employee module, then employee salary module, vehicle module, vehicle expense module, the client module, and the last and the very important module is client order module. Okay, so lot more things are present in this functional modules also. Okay, all those things we will see in few minutes, but as of now, let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains two user modules, that is administrator and the transporter. So mainly there will be admin module, okay, but definitely after the admin login, admin can register multiple other admins also, and he can manage the transporters also. He can register and delete the transporter, so that transporter can also manage the complete business, okay. Then yeah, so in this project, there are multiple things are handled. Okay, the very first one is vehicle management. So in the vehicle management, multiple things are there. Like we can add the vehicle, okay, update the vehicles, delete the vehicle. We can view all the vehicles. Okay, we can manage the fuel expense and other maintenance expense. Okay, the second one is employee management. So in the employee management, I have added registration part, update part, and we can delete the employee. Okay, and we can view the employee, and also we can manage their salary. Okay, and here employee will be there will be multiple types of employee also, like there can be driver, there can be helper. Okay, and later let's suppose we want to add another employee for accountant. Okay, so we can add that. So these things are present, okay, that we will see in few minutes. Then the next one is we have client management. Okay, so we can register the clients. Okay, so let's suppose one client came us to and give us order, like I want to deliver this much product to another location. Okay, so we will have to add both the clients here. Okay, let's suppose this is DTDC and let's suppose this one is Express. Okay, so we will have to add both the clients. Okay, we will register, we can also update the clients, we can delete the clients, and we can view the complete detail about the client. And definitely clients will be having multiple branches, right? So we will be able to manage the branch also. And the next one and the very important is managing the client orders. Okay, so let's suppose one client came to us, and he wants to deliver some product to another client. Okay, so we will have to enter the complete detail of that order. Okay, like from which client and from which branch to which branch we have to deliver. Okay, then trip charges. Okay, what are the price details, amount paid in advance. Okay, then due amount. So complete things will be like managed by the admin. Okay, and also in the client order we have added the download invoice part. Okay, and so that we can share that invoice with the driver. Okay, because he will be driving to deliver the products to another delivery point, right? So he will have to show that in between to the officials, right? So that part is also there, and the complete thing about the bookings will be visible in the dashboard also, like today's booking. Okay, today's profit, like the overall profit, total expense, today's expense, complete thing will be visible in the dashboard. Okay, like due amount also, But as of now, I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and effort for creating such type of projects. Students can use this project for learning purpose. They can also uh, refer this project to create their own project, and also this project is really good for the resume, and definitely business can also use this software for managing their business transport management. Okay, so yeah, hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of softwares. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So firstly, let's see our backend application. Okay, so this is our backend Spring Boot application transport management system, which I have developed using the software STS. Okay, definitely we can use other IDs also. Okay, but I have used STS. Okay, and this is the Maven structure, as we can see here. As I have already told that I have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So here is our pom.xml file. So whatever dependencies required for our project, I have added in the pom.xml file. And yeah, also I have used here the latest version of the Spring Boot, that is 3.3.3. okay, and yeah, we have src main java here and src main resources. So database connection part I have written the application.properties file. Okay, and all the static data like I have kept here, and yeah, as we can see here. Okay, the notice. Okay, then the company name. Okay, the bank details. Okay, this all the data here. Okay, are dummy data. Okay, if you want it for your business, okay, definitely you can change the like company name, your company name, you can replace it, you can add your address. Okay, because these things will be used in the invoice. Okay, and also the these things will be also used in the invoice. Okay, I have kept that static data here. Okay, then we have here src main java. So actual rest apis we have created in the controller package here. Okay, one of the controller rest controller here is this one. Okay, that is client working controller. You can see like how much apis I have created here. Okay, then we have client controller. Okay, then vehicle controller is there. So these are the apis, okay, which are very important. Okay, and also you can see like I have implemented multiple Spring Boot topics here, such as Spring Security. Okay, JWT token, then interceptor is there. Then I have added logger also. Okay, log4j2. Then swagger also have configured here. Okay, so after running the project I will simply hit this. Okay, so here I have to change this to transport management. Okay, let me change that, transport management system. Okay, yeah, so after running our backend application, we can simply use this URL to view all our APIs which we have created. Okay, and also we can see the classes. Okay, so DTOs. Okay, the number of classes I have created. Okay, these are the entities. Okay, and I think it's more than 12, 13 like entities are there. Okay, this is the filter, this is the interceptor, resources. Okay, then also I have created the scheduler. Okay, for the maintenance that I'll show, and also utility is there for the constants. Okay, storage of the vehicle images and all. Okay, so this is our backend application, and let's also see the front end application. So this is our transport management system front end, which I have developed using React.js. So these are the pages, components. Okay, sidebar, images which I have used. Okay, mainly I have used that in the logo, then dashboard part. Okay, so these are the components which I have created. Okay, then we have user components. Okay, so yeah, now without wasting any time, let's run both our applications. So firstly I'll run the backend application. So for running the backend application Spring Boot app, right click on the project. Okay, then run as Spring Boot app. So our application is running, and we can see the Spring Boot application 3.3.3, which is the latest version. Now let our backend application run. And here we go, our backend application, that is transport management system application, is running fine, and it is running on port 8080. Okay, so now since our backend application is running, what I can do, I'll just copy this URL, Swagger URL, and I'll paste here and hit enter. Okay, to see all the REST APIs which we have created, okay, for transport management system application. Let it load. Yeah, so we have user controller, vehicle controller, client controller, and the client booking controller. Okay, so firstly let's see the user controller. So this much APIs I have created in the user controller. Okay, in the vehicle controller also there are 6 to 7 APIs. Then client controller is there, and the main thing is client booking controller. Okay, so yeah, we can see the complete detail about the APIs here, and from here also we can test the APIs actually. Okay, so if you want to fetch all the vehicle, okay, so we can hit the API, okay, from here also to get all the vehicles. So you can see here this will be the response. Okay, it will be, the name will be in string, added date, time, vehicle number, company name, passing type. So multiple data we will get from the if you hit this API from here. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, execute, and we can see we got the vehicles fetched successful. And here this is the vehicle name. Okay, this is one of the vehicle, and this is the fuel expense of that vehicle. Then we have this vehicle, second vehicle. Okay, so yeah, we can, in a similar way we can test all the APIs from here also. Okay, now let's run our front-end application also. So I'll run command npm start, hit enter, and now let our React.js application also run. It's starting. Okay, so our React.js application is also running fine, and we can see the output in the browser also. So now since both our Spring Boot and the React.js application is running fine, let's see the complete project in detail. Okay, so this will be the home page of our application. Okay, so yeah, and then we have about us and contact us, which is static. Okay, we can update it from the backend code. Okay, then we have the login option. Okay, so this is very important. So from here we can log in as the admin and transporter also. So as of now I'll log in with the admin. Okay, so I'll log in, and the credentials whatever I'll use in this application, okay, for showing the demo, all those are dummy credentials. Okay, so I'll log in, but the question here is like I have just executed the application for the very first time. Okay, then how come I'm able to log in? I should first register, right? So here the thing is like whenever you run your application for the very first time, okay, uh, it will by default add the default admin in our database. Okay, so we can see here we are checking with this email ID and the, yeah, email ID. Then if admin is not present, then we will add the admin with this email and with this password. Okay, definitely these are dummy, but if you are using this for your business purpose, then definitely you can add your email and the password, okay, which you'll be going to use. Okay, yeah, so now I'll use the same credential for the admin login. Okay, login, and logged in successful. And also we can see here we are getting the request from the front end. Okay, so last API which we hit is like user login. Okay, so request received in the backend, and we gave 200 response. That means your credential is correct and you are successfully logged in. Okay, so after the admin login, the very first one is like the dashboard part. Okay, so I'll click on the dashboard. So from here admin will be able to like get the complete thing. Okay, like how many vehicles are there in the system, how many vehicles are running, okay, how many vehicles are stopped. Okay, the alert notification also we will see here. Okay, so I'll click here. So here what it is showing for this vehicle number, this registration which are dummy actually. Okay, the description is gearbox maintenance is due, please take action. Okay, so the last date was this one. Okay, so it is giving us alert that please do the maintenance for this, okay, gearbox for this vehicle. Okay, so this feature is also there. Okay, we will see that also in few minutes, but as of now we can and also if we have read this and we have performed the action, we can mark this as read. Okay, So I'll mark this as read, notification mark as read. Okay, and we can see alert notification is 0 now. Okay, then total booked orders till now is 4. Okay, and the new booking is 0. Okay, so this is the new bookings means like today's booking. Okay, total booked amount is, okay, so for all 4 booked order, total 3 lakhs rupees we have to get. Okay, or we will get. The new booked amount is, that means today no since no bookings were there, so that means this amount will definitely, it will be 0. Then total due amount is like 1,40,000. So out of this 3 lakhs, okay, we have received only 1,60,000, and 1,40,000 is pending. Okay, so from here admin is getting the idea like how much amount he have to still get. Okay, the new due amount. Okay, since there is no booking, definitely this will be also due. Due will be 0. Okay, today's fuel expense. Okay, so it is 0. Today's other maintenance expense for the vehicle, it is also 0. Okay, if we add that, definitely we will be able to see that thing here. Okay, the amount, the today's salary paid to the employees. Okay, so since we have not paid any salary to any employer, definitely this will also be 0. And the today's total expense means this today's fuel expense, today's other expense, maintenance expense, and today's salary paid. So this will be the come under the total expense. Okay, by summing up all these three things. Okay, then we have the client booking. Okay, so admin can see like the detail. He can also search the bookings like in this range how many bookings were there. So here we will see only a few things, like this is the invoice number, which is important, from client express to DTDC. Okay, pickup point was Bhopal Junction. Okay, the delivery point was near CST station. Okay, and the total amount is this, received amount is this, and the due amount is this. Okay, 50,000 is received and 50,000 is due. Okay, that means from this due amount 1,40,000, 50,000 is from the invoice 003. Okay, which is from express to DTDC. Okay, and we can also download the report as an admin. Okay, and yeah, let me open that. So we can see the detail here. Also we can download the report. Okay, after searching the bookings, okay, from the dashboard. Okay, same thing we will be able to see in the report also. Okay, then yeah, and if you want to see today's booking, then since the new booking is 0, definitely this will be also empty here. Okay, yeah, so this was a very important page for the admin, that is the dashboard page, where he will get the complete idea about the business. Okay, the next one is transporter. So from here admin can register the transporter. Okay, so let me add the transporter, dummy last name. Okay, transporter, then @demo.com. Password I'll keep for this, and also I'll add the mobile number. So these data are dummy. Okay, the email and the password and all, and contact also. So I'll register the transporter from here. So user registered successful, and we can also view the transporter from here, and we can also delete the transporter. Okay, so just now we have added this, so now transporter can also log in and manage the business. Okay, then we have the vehicle management. Okay, so from here we can add the vehicle also. So let's add one more vehicle, which is dummy vehicle. Dummy 123. Okay, the company name, let's suppose, is a dummy company. Passing type, let's suppose it is 20 ton. Okay, registration number dummy 123. Okay, insurance start date, it's upon us. Let me add any data here, and insurance expiry date. Okay, so let's suppose it is on 25th only of the same month. Okay, smoke test expiry date. Okay, so let's keep as 25th only. Permit number, okay, dummy 123, or let me give let it be. Permit expiry also let's keep as 27. Okay, gearbox expiry date 30. Oil change, it's upon us. Okay, so based on your scenario you have to add that. Since I'm just giving the demo, okay, I'm selecting any date here. Okay, the purchase date, it should be remark. Okay, dummy vehicle. So if you want to add something to understand we are talking about this vehicle, okay, you can add the remark. Okay, dummy vehicle. Now we can also upload the document about the vehicle. Okay, let me select the invoice and now I'll add the vehicle. Okay, so vehicle added successful. And if I click on view, so we can see dummy vehicle got added here. And from here we can also delete the vehicle. Okay, we can also delete the vehicle, and also we can search the vehicle by using the vehicle number also. Okay, so let's suppose, let me write here uh, dummy. Okay, that means this vehicle number. So I'll search, there is no. Okay, I think it is searching by using the registration number. Then also it should have come. Okay, complete vehicle number we have to give here. Okay, so I'll search here and we can see uh, the vehicle number here, and we can also delete the vehicle from here. Okay, so I'll click on view and complete detail about the vehicle we can see here. Okay, basic information like name, vehicle number, company name, registration, passing type, then insurance. Okay, then vehicle maintenance part like smoke test, gearbox, oil change, vehicle purchase date. Okay, then other details. Also we have uploaded the document, right? So if admin wants to see the document of this vehicle, so we can see from here. Okay, as of now these are just dummy document. Okay, and here we can see the fuel expense and other maintenance expense for this vehicle. Okay, so till now since we have not added that, that's the reason we are not able to see any expense here. Okay, so from here we can add the fuel expense also. Okay, and the other expense also, maintenance expense. And we can also, if you want to update the document, okay, or let's suppose, firstly let's suppose I want to update the vehicle details, so from here we can change that. Okay, we can, so I'll write here fastest vehicle. Okay, from dummy vehicle to fastest vehicle, let me update this. And yeah, let me update now. Update vehicle details updated successful. And yeah, this one fastest vehicle, so we can see the name as fastest vehicle. In the similar way, if you want to update the document also, we can update the document from here. Okay, so let me change that now. So now what I'm doing is I'm updating the document. Okay, vehicle document updated successful. And yeah, if you see the document, it will be updated now. Okay, yeah, we will see the fuel expense and the other expense after the client order part. Okay, yeah, so now we have seen the vehicle part also. The next one is employee. Okay, so I'll register the employee from here. Okay, from here we can register the employee. Okay, so I'll add the employee name as Rahul. Okay, Rahul Kumar. Okay, then Rahul at the rate demo.com, which is dummy email ID. I'll enter the mobile number. Okay, full name I'll enter Rahul Kumar. Okay, PAN number, PAN 123, whatever it is we can add. Okay, we have to enter the Aadhaar number, whatever it is. Okay, the role we can select here, driver, whether this employee is driver, helper or accountant. So I'll select the driver. Okay, that means this Rahul is a driver. License number, so here if you see, if I select the helper, then we are not getting the option to add the license number. Okay, but if we are selecting the driver here, so the license number also we have to update here. Okay, so I'll write here license 1234. Okay, full address we have to enter here, so I'll write here dummy address, demo city 12345 pin. Okay, we have to select the state. Okay, so I'll select the state Maharashtra. Okay, then from Maharashtra, we will get the cities to select. So let me select here Mumbai. Okay, the pin code 123456. Okay, the country we have to select India. Okay, then license expiry date. Okay, work start date. Okay, so let's suppose it is September or October 1st, and end date also we can give here, like from 30th June. It will work. Account number we have to enter. Okay, let me add the dummy account number, IFSC code. Okay, demo IFSC 123. Okay, comment. Okay, I'll write here good driver. I can add the comment. Okay, then upload documents. Okay, so for him also, he will have to update the document. Okay, so let me select the dummy document also. Register the employee now. Okay, so employee registered successful. Now we can view the employee also. So we can see Rahul Kumar got added. Okay, so here Babu Ali is driver. Rohit, sorry, first name is Rohit. Okay, status is helper. Okay, so Rohit is helper and the Rahul is driver again. Okay, we can delete the employee from here. Okay, we can search the employee by the role. Okay, there is two driver now, Babu Ali and and the Rahul, and we can enter search by the name also. Okay, so Rahul, and if I write here Babu. Okay, so let me select by role now, driver. Okay, so we have added that. I'll click on view button here. So here we can see the complete detail about the employee. That is the basic information. Okay, full name, PAN, Aadhaar, license number, license expiry date. Okay, his address, then work and account information. Okay, this is the account information and the work start date and end date. Okay, so these are dummy, and also the document which I have uploaded here as an admin. I can see the details here. Okay, and also we can add the salary here. Okay, so if you want to add the salary for any employee, we can add from here, and also we can view the salary from here, and also so view salary. So there are no salary records found because just now we have registered this employee Rahul as a driver. Okay, we can update the employee detail. Okay, so let's update something. Okay, demo address. Okay, let's make it demo address and Rahul Kumar. Okay, make it Rahul Kumar at the rate demo.com, and we can also change the license number, can. Okay, and now I'll write here very good driver, update employee. Okay, we can also update the employee details. Okay, so we can see here Rahul Kumar, then address, demo address. Okay, PAN 123456. So I've updated it, and we can see the details here, and also we can update the employee document if you want to. Okay, so let's update it. Update the document, and employee document updated successful, and we can see the updated document. Okay, so these are dummy. Okay, I'm uploading any document as of now, but if you are using it for your business, definitely you have to enter the valid documents. Okay, then we have the client module. Okay, and regarding the salary module here. Okay, regarding the salary module, we can add the salary from here, that we will see in few minutes. Okay, but as of now, for Babu Ali, for this driver, okay, this employee, I have already added the salary. Okay, so in this way we will be able to see the salary details. Okay, so salary type was trip type and the part payment. Okay, so for this trip he got 10,000. Okay, so it will be upon us, like whether it is the salary type is monthly or it is a part payment. Okay, because driver or helper can ask the salary at any time. Okay, so part payment. Okay, for this client trip we have paid this much amount. Okay, this was a payment detail. Okay, which is dummy actually. Okay, and the vehicle details. Okay, which this employee was using. Okay, and the remark also we can add, and also view receipt is also there, payment receipt. Okay, so as of now this is dummy. Okay, So yeah, in this way employee salary will be visible to us. Okay, yeah, then we have to add the client. Okay, so we have the client module, so from here we can add the client. So let's add the client. Okay, fastest delivery. Okay, fastest delivery, pin code, let me add anything here. Okay, the state we have to select from where this client is. So as of now, let's add Maharashtra. Contact number we have to add. Okay, contact name also we can add. Let me add here. Okay, demo person, let me add. Okay, GST type. Okay, so whether it is available or not, if I select no, then nothing is coming. But if I select GST applicable, okay, then we have to enter the GST number and the GST rates here. Okay, so let me add here the number. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is dummy GST number. Okay, I'll add here 8%, 8%. Okay, and comment we can add. Okay, I'll write here fourth client. Okay, so this is for our purpose. Okay, to understand or anything about this client. Okay, for remembrance we can use that. We can upload the document here. Okay, so I'll add any document here in PDF, add client, and the client added successful. Okay, so now if I go to the view clients. Okay, so fastest delivery got added here. Previously I was having the two client. Okay, that is DTDC and the express. Okay, so now here we can also delete the client from here. Okay, we can also search the client by the name. If I write here, okay, DT. Okay, so that means DTDC should come. And if I write here the fast, okay, so there are two yeah, fastest delivery which we have added just now. So this dummy number, account GST number, contact number, okay, these things are dummy. Okay, now I'll click on the view button to view the complete detail about the client. Okay, so this is the basic information of the client. This is the GST information of the client. Okay, 8%, 8%, this is your GST number. Additional information, this is like this client is active. Okay, the comment is this is the fourth client. Okay, this is for our purpose, whatever we want to add, it's upon us. Then for this client, how many branches are there, that is very important. Okay, and also we have here view document. We can view the document of the client. Okay, and we can add the branch here. So from here, let's add, we have one branch in Maharashtra, Mumbai. Okay, full address we have to add here. So I'll here demo address, demo city, demo pin code, or I'll write here demo 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, add the branch. Okay, and the client branch updated successful. And here we can see one branch one got added here, which is in Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai, Maharashtra, this is the address of that branch. Okay, we can add one more branch here. Let's add that in Gujarat and in Surat. Okay, so full address again I'll write here demo address, demo pin code 1 2, or this time let's give another. Okay, add the branch and the client branch updated successful. And we can see here we have added two branch, Mumbai and the Surat branch, for the client fastest delivery. Okay, we can update the client details from here. Okay, and update document also. So let's suppose if you want to make this as, okay, so this was the third client, right? So let's make it to third client, the fastest delivery. And here let's make it to 0000123. Okay, and let's make it 91. Okay, yeah, the contact person, let's give as Sachin Kumar. Okay, this is the contact person for this client. Update the client now. Client updated successful. Okay, and we can see here comment third client and the contact and the pin code got updated here. Okay, so in the similar way we can update the document also. Okay, the client document. Okay, the next one is like we have seen the vehicle part and the employee part and the client part also we have seen. Right now, next one is order booking, which is very important actually. Okay, because this here we will be storing the client orders, okay, and this is our actual business, right? So now let's add the client order booking, okay. So let's suppose fastest delivery company came to us for the delivery, okay, fastest delivery order one, okay, I'll give the name as, okay, fastest delivery order one. The start time is, let's suppose today only, okay, that is from 10 a.m, okay, from 10 a.m, okay, this is the start time, okay, and we have to enter, select the consigner, okay. So here the consigner is the fastest delivery, okay, and the booking point. So since we have added two branch, okay, for the fastest delivery, that is Maharashtra Mumbai and the Gujarat Surat, right? So from Mumbai to uh, I'll select from Mumbai, we have to deliver this, okay, and consignee we have to select, we can select the fastest delivery here, and so this will be like from the same consigner, same consignee, okay. So that is also possible, like from Maharashtra to Gujarat for the fastest delivery client we have to send, but we can select other the consignee also, like let's suppose, let me select express, okay, delivery consignee as express. So for express only one branch is there, that is in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, okay. So I'll select the vehicle now, okay. So let me select the fastest vehicle only, dummy 123, vehicle number of the same is dummy 123, which we have just now a few minutes ago we have added that, and the driver name is Babu Ali and the Rahul Kumar. So I'll select the Rahul Kumar, and the start kilometer, let's suppose I'll add here when the driver was driving, okay. So the kilometer was 1 lakh, and the close kilometer we have to enter here, okay. So let's suppose it will take 2000 kilometer, okay, 20,000 kilometer or 1000 kilometer, okay, or 2000, okay, let's make it 2000, 1 lakh 2000 kilometer, okay. So it will run 2000, so approx we can add here, then later on we can also update, okay, based on the actual data. The total kilometer here, let me add to 2000. Invoice number we can give, so I'll make it 005, okay, this is the invoice number. Then invoice number, this is the invoice name, right? So I'll make the invoice number as 005, and the fastest delivery it's upon us, whatever we can give the name, but this is the important vehicle, sorry, invoice number, and the payment due date, okay. So here we have to select the payment due date. So is on, like let's suppose it will get delivered by 23rd, so I'll select the 23rd only, and vendor type we can select whether it is self or third party, okay, whether the vehicle which we are using it is self or third party. So let's select the self or only, because I'm doing the business here, okay. The transportation mode will be road only, paid by consigner, okay, the amount will be paid by the consigner, and the tax paid by, okay, we can select, okay, between the consignee and the consigner. Tax paid, okay, the payment made by the consigner I'll select here, okay, spelling is wrong, no issues, we can update that. The payment status is as of now pending, okay, I'll select pending, and the delivery date time, okay. So let's suppose it will get delivered by 28, okay. So we can select, okay, but later on definitely we can update the delivery time also, okay. Delivery status is in transit, okay, and the on order, it's upon us whether, okay, whether pending, in transit, delivered, so it's upon us. I'll make it in transit as of now. The order status is as of now open, because till now this is in processing only. After getting the paid, okay, after getting paid the complete amount, okay, then only we will make it close, okay. Then we can upload the document, okay. So I'll select one dummy document here, okay, in PDF, and we can also add the comment, okay, fastest delivery, first ever order, okay, from Mumbai to where, Bhopal, right? I'll write Mumbai to Bhopal. Yeah, now submit, and client booking added successfully. Yeah. Now I'll click on view button, so we can see here in the all bookings part, fastest delivery order one got added here, the start kilometer, close kilometer, the start date and delivery date, okay, the delivery status, this is in transit, payment status we can see, okay, this is in pending, okay. So we can search by using the client name here, okay, and also by the invoice number, okay. So let me first select by the search by the client name, okay. So here the client name for the fastest delivery we have added as 005, right? So let me search, okay. So we can see here fastest delivery order one. So by using the invoice number I can search here, okay. Then also we can search by the client, okay, from client to another client, okay. So if I select here all the all the orders from the client fastest delivery order, okay. So if I search again it will come, okay. But if I write here express, okay, all the client, okay, who is starting from the express, we will be able to see that, okay. So express to fastest delivery, if I search there is no, okay. But if I search only uh, express, then there are two bookings, okay, from express to another client, okay. And specifically if you want to search, okay, express to only DTDC, then there are two, express to express there is no one, and the fastest delivery also it should be empty for so that means there are two bookings from express to DTDC, okay. And let me search for DTDC for fastest delivery, there is no, right? It will be empty. DTDC to DTDC there is one, okay. And DTDC to express again there is one. So if I select nothing, okay, in the select two client part, then it will be two, right? But if I only select the, if I want to see all the bookings from the fastest delivery only, okay, then it is fastest delivery order, okay. This is coming. Also we can search by invoice number that we have seen. Now let me see the complete detail about the booking, okay. So here we can see the booking details. So this is the basic information about the booking, okay. The trip name is this, added date is this, okay, because just now we have added that, so it's the current time, okay. This is the starting time, vendor name, start kilometer, close kilometer, the delivery time, delivery status, in transit document we can see, okay, which we had uploaded while adding the order, okay. The payment detail, okay. So payment detail and the status. So the paid by consigner, okay, the amount which will get will be paid by the consigner, tax paid by will be consigner, okay. Then invoice name number, okay, 005 is the invoice number, payment due date, payment status as of now pending, and the status is open, okay. And then we can see like from which client to which client this trip will be, okay. So here the consigner is the fastest delivery, and definitely the consignee will be express, right? The contact name, number of the consigner and the consignee is given here, and the GST number for the consigner and the consignee is given, okay. All these details are dummy, okay, like GST number, contact and all. And the booking point, like from fastest delivery from Mumbai to the delivery point is Bhopal, okay, which is from the express, okay, express branch, right? So the complete detail we can see here about the delivery also, the vehicle used for the delivery, okay. So this is the vehicle used for the delivery, that is the fastest vehicle, okay. We know just now like few minutes ago only we have added that, okay. The employees involved in the client trip, okay. So as of now Rahul Kumar will be driving this vehicle, okay. And also let's suppose if helper is required, okay, so we can add the helper also. So here we have got the option to add the employee. So I'll select the employee as a helper, okay, Rohit Kumar helper, okay. Add the employee, and the employee added for the client booking, right? So here we will be able to see now in the employee involved in the client trip. So Rohit Kumar also got added, who is a helper, okay. So and for him the license number is not necessary, but since Rahul Kumar, okay, this guy is a driver, okay, so license number is mandatory, okay. Now item details, okay, that means what all things this delivery will contain, okay, from Mumbai to Bhopal, okay, from fastest delivery client to express client, okay, what all things this trip will carry, okay. So we can add the item details from here, okay. So as of now, since no items are present, we can add the item from here. So let me add here iPhone 16, okay, and item quantity is 1 lakh, okay. Actual weight we have to give, so let's suppose it is 200, or 500 kg gross weight. Okay, you can enter anything here based on the actual data, but as of now, since I'm showing the demo, so I'm entering the any detail. Okay, so it will be weight type will be kg, rate as per kg. Okay, and add the item. Okay, so item details successfully added in the client booking, and here we should be able to see the item detail also. We can see item detail, iPhone 16 quantity with the quantity 1 lakh. Okay, and the weight is 500 kg. Okay, the charges detail also and the price detail also we can add. Okay, so firstly let me add the charges detail. Okay, so trip charges, so additional charges, let's suppose 1000 service charges, 1000 pickup and drop charges, 2000 other charges involved, 3000. Okay, GST applicable, yes, okay, or no. So as of now, let me select the GST only, sorry, no only. Okay, okay, let me select the GST number and let me add here GST 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, dummy GST number, GST rate as 8. Okay, add trip details and the item details successfully added in the detail. Okay, so we have added the trip, sorry, the charges also. So this is the additional charge, service charge, pickup drop charges. Okay, other charges, GST applicable. Okay, if yes, then these are the details we are able to see, and the price detail. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is very important because we will be adding the charges which we will take from the clients. Okay, so now let's add the trip price. So enter the rate. Let's make it 2 lakh. Okay, we are taking 2 lakhs for this. Okay, and the total amount. Okay, rate, let me write here 2000 only, it's upon us. Okay, I don't know much about this business, but definitely if you are using this for the business, you must have like know all these details. So total amount, let's suppose we are taking to 2 lakh. Okay, so advance amount, let's suppose he has paid me 1 lakh. Okay, and the received amount is 1 lakh, and the due amount is also 1 lakh. Okay, because total we have to collect 2 lakh. Okay, from the client. Okay, but we have received only 1 lakh, so that means due amount is 1 lakh. Okay, the select and the payment status is to be pay. Okay, or we can say advance. Okay, save trip price details successfully added for the client booking. Okay, and here we can see the details. Okay, the payment status is advance, received amount is 1 lakh out of 2 lakh, and the due amount is also 1 lakh. Okay, and one more thing here is the item details. Okay, only one we have added here. Okay, but we can add one more details. Okay, like not one more, we can add as much as like whatever items that delivery will contain. Okay, we can add that. Okay, so let me write here shoes. Okay, Nike shoes. Item quantity. Okay, let's make it 2 lakh. Actual weight, let's make it 1000 kg. Okay, gross weight, let's make it 1000 only. Weight type kg, rate as per kg. Add the item, and now Nike shoes should be also get added in the item details. Okay, and if you see the item details, iPhone 16 Nike shoes, so it's upon us whatever this vehicle will carry, we have to enter the details. Okay, okay. Now fuel expense. Okay, so whatever fuel expense, okay, this will trip will have. Okay, fuel expense, other maintenance expense we can add. Okay, that will be vehicle specific, so we will add this expense from the vehicle actually. Okay, so we know we are using the fastest vehicle, this vehicle. Okay, so we will update that later. Yeah, but as of now, for the price detail we can add only one details, and the charges detail also only one details we can add. So that's why after adding that, we those option got disappeared to add the charges detail and the price details. Okay, now we have seen add employee, add vehicle part also we have seen. Okay, we have not seen the add vehicle part. Okay, so let's suppose this vehicle got like something happened with this vehicle. Okay, now maintenance is required or it will not be able to complete the trip, then we can add the vehicle from here. Okay, we can select all the vehicle from this vehicle. Okay, available vehicle. So as of now we are using this. If you want to use this also, like another vehicle, definitely we can add that also. Okay, because here we have written vehicle used for the delivery. Okay, so as of now let's make it only one only. Then we can also update the booking details. Okay, and also we can download the invoice also and the booking update booking document. Okay, so here firstly we have this thing. We can update the order booking from here. Okay, from, let me write here, from uh, to Express. Okay, to Express Bhopal. Okay, to Express Bhopal, and the payment made by. So now let's suppose if we want to make it 2500. Okay, the close kilometer, and the order status, let's make it open only. So we can just simply submit. Okay, client booking updated successful, and let's see whether we had updated the comment, right? Let's see where it is. I think I have not shown that. Okay, but definitely we can show here. And the close kilometer 10,000, sorry, 1 lakh 2,500 kilometer we can see here. Okay, which got updated here, right? And yeah, comment I have not shown here. I'll show that. Yeah, the delivery status is in transit, and yeah, we can, in this way we can update the booking details also. And if you want to change the document also, okay, we can change that also. Okay, like we have seen in the earlier part, like for the vehicle document and the employer document, in the similar way we can update that also. Okay, and now we have got option to download the PDF. Okay, so this is download invoice part actually. Okay, about this detail. Okay, so I'll just open it, and we can see here this will be the invoice format. Okay, so this company name, address, okay, and the contact number, GST, these complete things are like dummy details. Okay, these are not actual details. Okay, and in this way we can download the invoice, and also these details are present in the application.properties file. Okay, so if you want to change it based on your company name, okay, definitely you can change that. Okay, address, email address, ID, okay, then the company name. And one more thing I want to tell, which is very important actually, this about this package detail. Okay, so here these are dummy data which is coming from the application.properties file. Okay, these are not the actual data, like this one, iPhone, Nike shoes. Okay, because for driver we don't have to show these details. Okay, because he can do anything, okay, during the trip. Okay, if he knows like this much expensive things are present in the truck, right? So we will not show those details here in the invoice details. Okay, so that's why I have kept this as a dummy. Okay, and we will hand over this PDF to the or print to the driver. Okay, so this will be the invoice format. Yeah, we have seen this much, this also. And now we can see the dashboard. Okay, so here now we can see that today's new booking is one booking. Okay, and today's, and we can see this booked amount also got changed, right? Previously it was 3 lakh, now it is 5 lakh, and the new booked amount is 2 lakh, and out of which new due amount is 1 lakh. Okay, that means we have to get 1 lakh from the client, right? And the total due amount is 2 lakh 40,000. Previously it was 1 lakh 40,000, right? So total amount pending is now this much. Okay, and regarding the fuel expense and the total today's other expense, let's see that. And the salary part also we will see. Okay, and in the client's booking today we can see from client fastest delivery to this client, from this is the pickup point and this is the delivery point, Bhopal, right? And amount paid, total amount, received amount, due amount we can see here, and also we can download the report also, right? So yeah, so we can see now 3 vehicles are running actually. Okay, 3 vehicles are running because 3 client trips are now opened. Okay, if I make it close, then that means that vehicle is not running now. Okay, so stopped vehicles are 0 now. Yeah, now let me explain about the fuel. Okay, so we can add the fuel expense, okay, for this vehicle fastest delivery. Okay, so let me add the fuel detail. So diesel expense time, okay, at what time fuel was filled, okay, then we have to add that. So at 11:15 a.m. we have added that. Okay, so these details will be provided by driver, okay, to the admin, so that's why he will add. Okay, starting kilometer we can add. Okay, 1 lakh. Okay, and the current kilometer is let's make it to 1 lakh 20, and the amount is, let's make it to 5,000 as of now. Okay, the full or partial. Full fuel rate, let's make it 200. Filled liter, uh, let's make it 50. Okay, and the payment mode, let's suppose he paid using cash. Okay, and the payment details he have to enter. Okay, so we can write here cash, or if let's suppose if we have used account number or the UPI ID, okay, we can add the UPI ID or the account number, okay, through which it is paid. The remark we have to add. Okay, so first fuel expense. Okay, it's upon us, whatever we can add. Okay, so for which client we have paid filled this fuel? Fastest delivery, that is from fastest delivery Mumbai to Express Bhopal, right? I'll select this, and receipt we have to upload. Okay, so we will collect the receipt from the driver, and we will have to enter that in the PDF. Okay, add fuel expense, and the fuel expense successfully added. Okay, and now here if I go to the dashboard, so in the fuel expense part, today's fuel expense is 5,000, right? And the total expense is also 5,000 now. Okay, in the similar way, like we can, yeah, we can see fuel expenses here. Expense time, client trip, okay, fastest delivery order one, vendor was this one. Okay, diesel, okay, 50, filled liter is 50, paid via cash, and also we can view the receipt. Okay, so like complete thing will be stored in the database, and complete thing will be like visible to the admin at any time. He can check the details. Okay, in the similar way he can add the other expense also. So let's make it to at 12. We did some at 12 p.m. expense type as a maintenance. Okay, let me write it, maintenance. Okay, vendor name, let's make it as dummy automobiles, dummy automobiles location. Okay, let's make it to Mumbai city. Okay, dummy road, pin. Okay, complete detail here I'll add. Okay, for the record. Okay, city Mumbai only. Okay, pin code 12345 dummy pin code. Let me add the state. The amount paid is 3,000. Okay, and the payment mode, let's make it UPI, and I'll make here dummy at the rate UPI. Okay, by using this I paid to the dummy automobiles. Remark, okay, I'll write here tire fix. Okay, and the client trip is fastest delivery only. Okay, for this vehicle, and the receipt again I have to select. Okay, which he will get from the automobiles. Okay, so driver will give this receipt to admin, and admin will select here and add. Okay, for the record. Okay, and expense successfully added for the client booking. Yeah, now again if I go to the dashboard here, so now previously today's fuel expense was 5,000, and now it is today's other expense is 3,000. Okay, for the maintenance of the tire. Okay, so total 8,000 we have spent. Okay, on this client order, right? And also this total booked order is now 5. Yeah, I'll go to the vehicles now. Okay, and here for the fastest vehicle the other expense also we can see here, and receipt is also there, so at any time admin can view the receipt, right? So we have in the similar way we can add the fuel expense in the vehicle section and the other expense also, right? And now if I go to the bookings, okay, and if I view the booking detail of this fastest delivery order, okay, for the invoice 005, okay, we can see the fuel expense also, okay. That means 5,000 we have spent on this trip as of now, okay, and 3,000 we have spent on the tire change, right? Which is actually the maintenance part. So we can also view the receipt. Yeah, complete thing will be basically stored, okay. At any time admin can check any detail, okay. And yeah, we have seen the complete thing from here also. Now let's pay the salary to the employee, okay. So yeah, Rahul will be driving, right? So I'll come here and I'll add the salary, okay. So the trip is fastest delivery order one, right? Amount paid, let's suppose, is 5,000, okay. And vehicle, fastest vehicle, and the salary type is like it is a trip payment, okay. So let's suppose we are doing paying this driver as a monthly payment, so we'll select monthly. If it is advance or trip payment, so let's suppose this is trip payment, okay. So I'll select this, okay. And let's suppose if any driver or helper is asking for some help, okay, like pay me this much amount, okay, then later you cut, then we can do it by the part payment, okay. So as of now let's make it to trip, okay. So in this way, like, complete record will be there, okay. So that's why we have given this much option, okay. The payment mode is, let's suppose, cash, UPI, okay. So payment detail I'll add, like on which account number or UPI we are paying to the helper or driver, okay, the employee. So we will add the account number of the employee. Sorry, upload documents, okay. Document is basically the receipt, okay. So for record we will store like we have paid this much, okay. So it can be screenshot or anything, okay. Paid trip payment to Rahul, okay. And I will add the salary, employee payment salary added successful, okay. And now what I'll do, if I view the salary, so for this employee we have paid 5,000, okay, for this trip, okay. And this was a vehicle which he was driving, okay. Payment receipt, this is the remark, and we can also view the receipt, right? Yeah. Then also let's suppose for this client, sorry, for this booking, uh, Rohit Kumar was also helper, right? So let's pay the salary to Rohit also, because he is helper and we have to give the salary to him. So client trip fastest delivery, and he is asking me 1,000 rupees, okay, to pay as a part payment, and later I can pay to him, okay. So I'll select the part payment, and let's make it to account, okay. Account detail, dummy detail I'll add here. Again I have to upload the document here. Remark, okay, part payment to Rohit for fastest delivery client, okay. Add the salary, and the employee payment salary added successful, okay. If I view the salary for this is the first payment, okay, part payment to Rohit, okay, 1,000 rupees. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the order and view the orders here, so we can see, yeah, we can see the complete detail here. And I'll go to the dashboard now. So salary paid is 6,000, okay. 5,000 we have paid to the driver, and 1,000 as a part payment to the helper, right? So total expense is 5,000 plus 6,000, that is 11,000, and 11,000 plus 3, that is 14,000. So today's total expense is 14,000, and we have got the booking of 2 lakh, and the due amount is 1 lakh, right? So complete details we can see here, and I think we have seen the complete functionalities which I have added in this project. Okay, uh, yeah, yeah. The next thing is very important. Like if you see the vehicle details, okay, so here we have vehicle maintenance, right? Details like smoke test, gearbox, oil change. Okay, so definitely if we are doing the business, all these things should be clear. Okay, because definitely officials will be needing those details. Okay, so everything should be like clear, right? So if these things are getting expired, we have to work on, okay, the maintenance part, insurance part. Okay, so here I have written scheduler in the backend part, okay, which will give us the alert. Okay, so let's suppose the gearbox today is 20. Let's suppose the within 10 days, okay, we have the gearbox expiry date is coming. Okay, so we will get the alert that gearbox for this vehicle, fastest vehicle, okay, it is getting expired. Okay, it is getting expired, so please take the action. In the similar way, like insurance expiry date, smoke test, gearbox, oil change. Okay, for all these things I have written the scheduler at the back end. Okay, and that scheduler will run in the back at night, okay, 12 a.m, okay, every day, and that will give us the alert, and whatever alert we will be getting, okay, so it will get we will be able to see that in the notification part. Okay, so as of now there is no, so we are not able to see any notification here. Okay, but previously we were able to see one notification, right? So yeah, so this functionality is also there. So this was the complete software functionalities which I have added in this project. Definitely if anything is required by any client, definitely I will add that. Okay, and yeah, I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Okay, students can also use this project for learning purpose. Okay, they can add that in resume, and businesses can also use this project to manage their transport business. Okay, so I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of softwares. Okay, so hit that subscribe button for motivating me to create more such type of projects. Okay, so now we will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.